Hello and welcome. This is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement Private Limited. In this video tutorial we will learn that how to add table of figures in Microsoft Word document. So let's get started. For table of figures you are required to click on References tab, and here you will find a group that is called Captions. In this group you will find a feature that is called Insert Table of Figures. So basically table of figures adds a list of captions objects and their page numbers for a quick reference. So if you know that there is another table which we create, which is also called index, that contains the headings of your entire document, that is called table of contents. In the table of figures in our document, if we have some objects, just like I have inserted 4 different kind of objects: a table, a shape, a chart, and an image. So we have 4 different kind of objects available, and if we want to add all these names of different objects into an index which is called table of figures, so how we get start with it? So first it is required that you need to give these objects a name which is called caption. So defining a caption is very easily, and all those captions or the names of these particular objects will go in the table of figures at the end. So let's get started. I will just right click on this particular object, and from this contextual menu you will click on Insert Caption, and you can define a name. For example, I have write sample, and then you are required to select either you want that name above the selected item or below the selected item. Okay, and just press OK. There are few other options as well regarding the customization of the caption. Either you can go for a numbering, you can define a different kind of numbering you want. So I will just press OK. So it says table 1 sample. Then I will click on a shape, and you can go to the captions group, click on Insert Caption, right? And now it's a figure, so let's call it a shape, and press OK. So I will click on chart this time, and I will click on Insert Caption again, and I will give a nice name. So just for the sake of this video I'm giving our random names, but I hope you have understood the concept that you have to define each object a name so that it should be listed down in the table of figures, right? So after defining each object a name, what we can do is we will insert table of figures. Just click on it and do some settings according to your requirement. If you want to show the page numbers, you need to check mark that, or you can uncheck as per your requirement. You can change the tab leaders style as well, and just now press OK. So now you can see that in the table of figures there are 4 figures: table, shape, chart, and diagram. Just I gave a random name to make you understand, and these all are on page 1. Now for example, later on if the 2 objects goes on to the next page, right, and when we come back to our table of figures, so the page number does not change. So it's very easy to update this table of figures. Just right click and click on update field, or you can just go to References tab and Captions group, click on Update Table, and select Update Entire Table. So now you can see that the page numbers has been changed. So I hope you like this video and you have learned that how to insert table of figures and what is the purpose of table of figures, and before that you need to define a caption for each of the object. Thank you.